Hello, my name's Gabi. I'm a brand and self-leadership coach, and I recently hired Gwen to help me map out my funnel so that I can really take a step back from live launching and selling on Instagram stories every single day and bring in a more passive style income into my business. So before I started working with Gwen, I had scaled my business to 6 figures really successfully through live launching, selling on Instagram stories, and really having a warm audience who was constantly buying whatever it is that I was selling. But I really started to get to a point where I realized that the next stage of my business to really take this to multi 6 figures was going to be in the different ways that I was allowing people to come and buy from me. And so the obvious choice was funnels. And the first person I thought of was Gwen, because not only is she highly efficient in everything that she does, that she is an absolute genius when it comes to strategy and when it comes to creating a funnel that is going to be specific for your business, for the offer that you want to really guide people into. She helps you create these funnels in a way that doesn't just feel like you're creating copy paste email templates, but it really feels like she understands your business and she really understands how to get into the minds of your clients in a way that they're going to see your offer is the only option for them. And so right now I'm busy building out the funnels, but already I have got this fire inside of me because I am mapping out exactly how I'm going to scale up until the end of the year. And I know that these funnels are going to have a huge impact on my income. And I literally can't wait. So Gwen, I adore you. And if you're thinking about working with Gwen, 100 million%, this is your sign. Go and do it.